Hi, I'm Jeff Graham. I'm a product support technician with Epiroc. Today we're going to be going over how to rebuild the high pressure accumulator on the SB series breakers. So first we want to start by making sure that the high pressure accumulator is completely drained. So we'll remove the plug. And at this point we can completely open the valve, which is up on top, with a 13mm wrench. And open it about two and a half full turns. Then we can remove all of the cover bolts. I always recommend, whenever removing the bolts, if you're not completely sure that you have drained all of the nitrogen, don't take the bolts completely out of the accumulator. Once all the bolts are completely loose, then you can take them all the way out. And we can remove the cover. When you remove the cover, you have to make sure that there's a small pin. There's also a seal. Make sure that those stay together. You can inspect the diaphragm and the diaphragm support seat. If you're replacing those, install them, make sure they fit securely. Make sure that you've cleaned the diaphragm. Install it into the cover. On this particular breaker, there is a groove that the diaphragm sits into, so make sure that it's seated completely. Also helps to hold the diaphragm in place. We can close the filling valve, so it'll create a vacuum. And carefully reinstall accumulator cover. And retighten the bolts. Always make sure that you secure the bolts in a crisscross pattern. These bolts on the 340 will be torqued to 90 foot-pounds. Always make sure to verify in your manual that you check to see what the actual torque is per model. Once we have the accumulator cover installed, we'll install our charge adapter. Connect our filling hose. Open the filling valve about 2 to 2.5 turns. And then charge the accumulator up to 40 bar or 580 psi. Once we've reached 40 bar, then we close the filling valve. Move our filling hose. Move the filling adapter. And install the plug. Now complete your high pressure accumulator rebuild. For more information, please contact your Epiroc service center or your local dealer.